I'm asking everyone today about the tech team at Run As You Are. What do you know about the tech team?
Oh, is it tech team?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a tech team?
I've chatted to some of the tech team, but I've only ever met them virtually. So I don't even know. Can I tell you what I would like to know about them?
Yeah.
I would like to know what their favorite colors are. I'd like to know what their favorite memory is in high school. And I would like to know if they were to describe their ideal run, what it would be.
What do you know about the tech team?
What do I know about the tech team? I know they work really hard. Not enough.
They take all of our information and then put it into an app.
That they're brilliant and they've created the entire RunReady system, and I have huge respect for them.
Larry, I've asked everyone what the tech team does, so I've got to ask you, what does the tech team do?
Tech team does a lot of things, but Vince, I don't think it's so much like what the tech team does. It's what I think is actually what tech does for RunReady that's important. It starts with the tech allows us to standardize AMP. We make it into a software that therapists all over the world and other movement experts are going to be able to use our protocol. The tech enables us to be able to scale this product outside of our store and globally. And it's a tool that we're going to be able to allow therapists just to create these assessments with ease and then also streamline and for them to have a tool for helping their patients run better.
I'm usually in Vancouver once a month, so being able to have Nick, Danny, Tristan all together here in Toronto, it's been a lot of fun.
It's sometimes actually challenging to not be able to be face-to-face with the tech team. The tech team's integral, of course, in the customer experience and the customer flow. Being able to actually just sit down side by side with Larry and Damon and tonight Stanley, just to show them kind of the flow and things that we've been dealing with in Vancouver. It's just a lot easier to obviously optimize that flow and make sure the experience is, next level.
Once all the exercises are actually uploaded into the back end, this is just a test, but as a consumer, they'll actually be able to see all the curated programs, especially when we finish the assessment, there's a match, and then we do the prescription. So this is kind of like a mock screen, but essentially a user on the Run As You Are platform, they'll be able to see the exercises that were prescribed. So let's just say we click on one of these, it'll show the reps, the sets, all the different instructions with the photos.
Oh, cool.
And then users are also able to watch the video.
Having a tech team has been incredible because we're actually able to implement new features, customize it. There's sometimes features that are off the shelf that are available, or there's an API, but because of what we're trying to build is so unique, we can't really just use those out of the box. So a lot of times we're able to integrate and layer in a lot of different software, but then more importantly, we're actually able to customize and build a lot of these solutions specifically to this entire ecosystem that we're trying to create for Run As You Are.
The tech team at RunReady is incredibly important because we really are building elevated tools around e-com as well as the brick and mortar experience, but we need to be able to take RunReady and the RunReady performance program and plug that into the e-com experience and plug that into the in-store experience, have outputs like prescriptions for exercise programming, ways for users to interact with their accounts. So the tech team is hugely important because they need to be able to visualize all these sorts of things that aren't common in a retail world.
For the last 14 months, we've been heavily invested in building a technology platform that powers the entire RunReady system. Stanley is our lead developer and is the primary engineer. He's built out the logic, algorithm, and the entire backend that powers AMP. Andrew has background in data science. Lastly, Damon has joined us just this year, but his role as a front-end developer is focused on bringing the product to life for the end user. We need to kind of build something for the team so they can actually assign people as testers, so we're not staying up late at night to add people.
Because of last night, Stanley having to assign tester roles late at night, what I did was I went ahead and added like an assign roles feature inside of Pace for admin level users. So now, if you're an admin level user, you can kind of go in and pick a user and give them tester roles.
Awesome. This is great. Thanks, Damon.
There's a lot of friction because we're giving them getting them to scan like a NFC or a QR code, right? And if they've registered, then either they have to log in, right, once they scan, and when they log in, then they show us, oh, okay, you're successfully checked in, or it's gonna glitch out for them. It's gonna start flickering or something, right?
So the NFC cards,
It's still better, yeah.
yeah, the NFC cards. The only thing that we did realize though is not everyone's phones have the NFCs. So, but it's really good for us to even like know and go through this process.
Nick's big thing was like he wants us to like set up emails, right, for event confirmation.
We're like having a full-on conversation,
too good.
and he's just looking for the flavors. Damon with his cookie ice cream over there. Oh my god.
You missed that.
Really awesome to be able to see everyone. I think the whole team, their reactions to seeing the tech team all together, not just through a screen, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, we just have a lot of work ahead of us and a lot of fun, and yeah, long ways to go.